a RAM ball there at the top, and it has a thread on the top that is designed to fit onto cameras, digital cameras and GoPro accessories. Okay guys, let's take a look at the first mounting position and camera angle. This is perhaps my favorite position for mounting the camera, as it gives you footage that looks like you're following a film crew in a car, especially when you extend the selfie stick and that out. That will give you footage that looks like you're being followed by a drone. So let's take a quick look at that.
You are the one.
So if we loosen that off, we can spin it around to the side and we can extend that out. We can also go the other way to capture the other side, and we can also spin it around to the rear, and you get an